how to set the side button click speed to default slow or slowest on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down. In here, tap on side button. So tap on side button and then go to the click speed section. From here, you can choose between default, slow, and slowest. So in here, you'll be able to adjust the speed required to double or triple click the side button. So here, if we set the default, you can see here I can double click or I can triple click 1, 2, 3. Now each of these have a different functions. So for example, if we triple click, it will open up the accessibility shortcuts. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.